Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I am here today. We're going to make a Valentine's Day card. I am not the best card maker. I struggle a lot with making cards, so bear with me while we go through this hardship. So I want a square card. Okay. But I wanted it to be 5 by 5, but we'll see. I'm just gonna think through this. I am not one to give measurements because I like to make it as I go. So bear with me because I know I will make a few mistakes. So this is 8.5. Now let's go with 8. This is not even big enough. I actually need a 12 by 12 piece of paper. There we go. So I have some of this old cardstock paper, and it has like linen type texture. It's not really linen, it's just a embossed. Okay. So we have 12 by 12. I want a 6 by 6 card. So now I have to cut my card on my paper at 6 inches. So I have a 6 by 12 inch paper. Alright. And now I want to score. I'm going to score at 6 inches. Okay. I'm going to even this out. I don't like this. There we go. Okay. Sorry for the screaming. My child is acting crazy. Alright, so now we have our 6 by 6. And I want to use some of the paper that I've been using. So we need a mat. So I'm going to trim this down. And let's see. This is 12, so let's trim it to 5 3/4. Okay. And 5 3/4. Alright, now we have a... Alright guys, let's take all the mess. Alright, there we go. So that is my mat. Alright. And I think I want it to open up like that. But I also want to put another mat on top. Just gold. Is this too much? Should I do it like this? Peeking out? No. Let's do this. First, cut off this edge. Ooh, that's not good. That's not so good. Okay, and I want, we did 5 3/4, so I should do 5 1/2. 5 1/2. Okay, I want 5 1/2. Okay, let's bring the card back in here, and I like that, and I do like that. Just like that. Alright guys, I had to turn it off because it was a struggle. Anyway, I decided to make it a pop-up little card. And what I did, I took my card and then I opened it up on the front and then I scored it in half on the front flap. So that's how you get the pop-up. Okay? But to make it stay, I have to put like a sticker or something to hold it in place. And I think I want to put it like somewhere like that. Okay. So now I need to find a sticker. think this would be cute right there. But I want to put something behind it to give it some dimension or some depth. So maybe I'll put it like that and then put that there. I think that's good because then it can hold it like that. Okay, so I'm just going to lift this up because I don't want to lose my spot. And use some hot glue, just like that. And I'm just going to layer on this little sticker. Add a little bit of hot glue and just like that. So when it opens, it'll be like a easel, one of those easel cards, just like that. And you see how the sticker, it just holds it just enough. And even if you close it, it's only a little bit of dimension. Okay, and I will be adding my layer of cardstock on here, like that. And I'm just going to use my tape runner from Walmart, and so my card will not be lumpy from the hot glue. It'll just lay flat. Make sure my heart's in the right way, and add it right there. And then the last layer, I'm going to add this. Uh-oh. This is glitter on the side of the paper, so I might have to put a little dab of hot glue just to make sure that it stays on. Right in the middle. Alright. Get it as centered as possible. There we go. And this is just from some die cuts that I purchased from Tuesday Morning. I believe it was the Penelope die cuts. And I just like the way that looks. So I don't know. This is the kit from Louisa, but her digital kit. And I think that would look cute. A little better than the coffee cup, because I'm not sure if, let's see. Okay, I have this little thing, but too much. Might be too much. Might be too much. I think I'm just gonna go with that. Yeah. Okay, so I don't want to use the tape runner on this, so I'll go with this. Jumbo mono glue, and I can get on the thin area. I just want it to hold onto the card so it doesn't come off. And so far this glue has been good to me so far, except on vellum. It made it warp. So let's get this baby on. Oof. Just like that. And I want to edge my die cut. Taking my marker and going around the edge. First I gotta get my, there we go. Get my marker flowing. There we go. That looks better. Touch of gold. My favorite. Okay. Alright, now I'm going to make sure it's dry. I don't know if I want to use that. Might be this one there. Add that on there. this. A lot of blue. There we go. And I think I want to pop that. Just a little bit. Pop the little typewriter. Like I said, I'm not the best card maker. So, it is what it is. I'm so sorry. So let's put this guy down first. Let's see. Should have used tape on that. That's okay. It's drying flat. Now this is just enough. Raised up enough. So that works. I'm just gonna use some glue. And I think I'm done with this card. And look. So that's what it looks like on the front. And then when you open it, it is an easel. I think I might put another heart here. I don't like the way it's laying down or standing up. Okay, looks like that. Yeah, that will be that. Okay, that works. So it could be right on that red. Put it on the pink. Doesn't matter. Look at that. That's how that is gonna go. And I think I will stick with that. So thank you all for joining me. I'm gonna write my little note and put it in here, but I'm gonna leave it blank so that my recipient will be able to use the card if she wanted to, or she could just keep it for display. That's the way it looks. That's my first easel card. So thanks for watching, guys. Please give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.